Hi there, thanks for joining. In this video, we're going to go through campaign creation flow using our bulk creation feature. Follow me step by step to see how it works. So bulk creation includes 4 tabs: campaign, ad sets, ads, and review. This tool allows you to create and launch campaigns either from scratch or using some existing elements. We're going to go with creating a new campaign. Go further by choosing your Facebook ad account, then give a name to the new campaign. Now it's time to choose an objective that aligns with your overall business goals. It can be awareness, engagement, leads, sales, traffic, or app promotion. Next, you can enable special ad categories and advantage campaign budget options. Here, the budget can be daily or lifetime. Do not also forget about campaign bid strategy option. We are now at the ad sets tab, and here comes the ad set naming. You can type in the desired name or select predefined macros to generate the names automatically. Available ad set naming parameters are the following: current year, current month, creative set name, audience name, custom audiences, and so on. Choose one or more audiences you would like to target in the audiences section. For each one of them, a separate ad set will be created. So here are 3 options: selecting existing audience from the list of saved audiences, creating new one right from the template, and creating an audience using the data from Top Audiences report. We've talked about Top Audiences report and how to use them in this video. Follow the link to learn more. Please also know that it's only possible to use saved audiences for bulk creation. So if you're going to use an audience created on Facebook or lookalike audience, please make sure that they are saved as saved audiences first. I'm going to add 2 existing audiences, the one created in RevealBot and the other one created on Facebook. By clicking the New Audience button here or here, you can set up a new audience from scratch. Make sure to do this if you are using the tool for the first time. The process of creating an audience is similar to creating saved audiences in Facebook Ads Manager. All your audiences created in RevealBot will be available for future campaigns. You can also split audiences by interest, behavior, age, gender, location, custom, and lookalike audiences. For each of the chosen options here, a separate ad set will be created as well. Let's move on to the next section. Here comes the beneficiary and payer requirements. Please make sure you fill out these fields if you're running ads targeting the European Union. If the Advantage campaign budget is not enabled, you can set up the budget for each future ad set in the budget section. The budget can be either daily or lifetime here as well. Then let's set up the schedule. There are 2 options: run ads continuously starting right now, or set start and end dates. You can also set no date and run the ad campaigns as ongoing. Choose the most suitable for your needs and move on to placements. In placements, you will be able to choose either Advantage Plus placements or manual placements. Depending on the objective you choose, some placements may not be available. With manual placements, you can choose where you want your ad to appear on Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, or Messenger. Here are the available options. In the Optimization and Delivery section, choose the optimization goal. Available optimization goals in a drop-down menu will depend on the objective that you have chosen at the previous step. Then there is the bid strategy. Know that available bid strategies also depend on the campaign objective. We are at the Ads tab. On this tab, you can select the macros for new ads in ad sets. You can check available ad naming parameters here. Define the identity for the ads by selecting Facebook and Instagram page and move on to creative sets. Here comes the RevealBot's bulk creation core feature. By uploading different types of content, you create multiple ad sets and ads within them. So here are 3 options: selecting the existing creative set, creating the new one from scratch, or using creatives from your top creatives report. Click the link below to check out our detailed video on how our Top Creatives Report feature works. We are going to create a new creative set for our template from scratch. Here we are to give a name to our creative set first, then choose a format, add account library. Then we need to add one or a few variants of media. I will add 3 images. 2 primary texts. 1 headline, website URL, and a call to action button. Check out the preview section to ensure the creatives look like expected and click Save. The final number of ad sets and ads will depend on the number of different options you put for each field when creating a creative set and on the number of selected audiences. For example, if we choose 2 audiences, 1 creative set that contains 3 different pictures, 2 texts, 1 headline, and 1 website URL, at checkout, we will get 2 ad sets as we have 2 audiences with 6 ads in each. One more super useful tip of creative sets is placement asset customization. Let me show you how it works. Once you've added media variants to the creative set, click on the triangle side on the right side to unfold the options for each placement. Next to each option, you will see the name of the file and its dimensions. If you don't want to customize the creative for a specific placement, leave it as it is. If you would like to change the creative so that it fits the specific placement, just hover your mouse over the placement that you want to customize the creative for and click Change Image button. Whether you choose to customize your creatives or not, you can always preview what the ad will look like in any placement. Use the placement selector on the top right corner to see all the options. Another way of adding creatives is by using the existing posts. Click this button to either choose the posts from the list of posts or to enter the post IDs. Now let's move on to the next step, tracking. Enable the pixel, app events, and offline events if necessary. In tracking, there are URL parameters and macros that you can put to track by certain values. In the drop-down menu, here are the available options. In Review, you're able to see everything that has been chosen in the previous steps, a summary that shows the actual ad sets and ads that are going to be created after hitting the Create button. If you click on the ad set name, a new window will open up with all ads inside and their preview. When everything is checked, it remains only to click the Create button on the top right corner of the page. Please note that it will take some time to process the information and create all the items. To check the results of a campaign, please go back to the list of templates. Then find the one needed. Hover the mouse over it and you will see the Results button. It is also possible to check the results of all the recently created templates by clicking this bell button on the top right corner of the page. Hope that with this video we have answered all the questions about creating a campaign using our bulk creation feature. If not, then you're always welcome in the chat. Please remember that you can contact our support team by clicking the chat bubble on the bottom right corner of RevealBot page or via the email support@revealbot.com. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.